Hey everyone, I'm coming to you with an unboxing. I have today, this is my unboxing, and let's see what it's from. I have a new unboxing from Cocotique. Yes, I ordered another box. And it's one of their mystery boxes, so I don't know what's in this box. And I paid $20 for this box plus my shipping, which is, I think, was $8.95. So about $28 I paid for this box. So let's go in and see what's in this box. Cocotique mystery box. Now, I don't have my scissors. Great. Oh, okay, I can do it with my nail. I need scissors. And this is what my box is looking like. And it says Summer Edition. I have no idea what's in this box. And excuse my nails, I still haven't painted them. So let's see. This says Summer Essentials, Cocotique. I'm not going to read what this card says. But it tells you on the reverse side what should be in the box. So let's go ahead and let's deep dive into this box. And like I said, this box was $20 plus shipping and handling. Okay, I got a 15% off code from, is it PCM? And I'm not sure who they are. Oh, some kind of elastic band company. So I'll put that code down there. Hopefully we got a product from them. Yeah, it's a Texture Hair Solutions Fine Perfect 2 Combinations. And this is their pamphlet. Okay. And this is what their company offers. So let's see, did I get anything from them? If I come across, I'll let you know. Then we just got a thank you from Lash and with this Puff Cuff family. Hopefully we got something in the box from them. And then we have 2 sets of nails. Is it ALLKEM? Let's see. I have the card right here. Yeah, ALLKEM. ALLKEM press-on nails. That's one of the sets, and then the other set looks like this. I have 2 sets of nails, looks like. And okay, and the retail value for these sets of nails is $14.99. Let's see, do I have anything else from them? There's a lot of stuff in this box, but okay, here's the Puff Cuff Junior. It's the hair clamp for the thick, curly, or textured hair girls. And it's a hair clamp. Okay, let's see. Puff Curly, and this retails for $10. Okay, what else do I have in here? There's a lot of stuff in it. Oh, EDGEMASTER. Okay, looks like an EDGEMASTER, the brush. Okay, and this retails, I think, for $10. So remember, I only paid $20 for this this box. So I'm already over my $20, and I'm over my shipping cost of $8.50. Just with the two nail kits, that pays for the whole box. Okay, and this little burlite thing I have, what's this? pHRESH Wellness. And let's see what this is. Looks like this. Okay, pHRESH Wellness. This is a full size and it runs for $14.99. It's aluminum free deodorant. Looks like this. Oh, the top smells really good. Okay, it's Evergreen. That smells really good. Aluminum free deodorant. There's a lot in this box. Okay, Intimate Fresh Body Care. This is this one. Let's see. What's the name of this one? Oh, EXSENS. EXSENS. This is Intimate Fresh Cleansing Foam. I'm trying to do. Okay, it's an intimate wash. And this is full size for $13.50. So this is an intimate wash. So far, so good with this box. Okay. I got ZEN TOES Comforts Smooth and Prevent Fuzzy Gel Heel Socks. Let's see how much these are. ZEN TOES. This is a full-size retail value of $14.99. I'm loving this box. I'm going to go to my last item, which is now Solutions Aloe Soothing Gel, Smooth and Replenishes. Renews dry skin due to environmental factors. Multi-purpose formula. And everybody knows the brand now. So let's see what this retails for. Now Solutions Aloe Vera Soothing Gel. This retails for $8.99. And I just want to see. Suggested use apply gel to skin as needed to smooth and restore skin exposed to harsh Environmental conditions. Okay, so I guess maybe after the sun, we can put this on. And that was my Cocotique mystery box. Nothing else in here. So let's run what I got. I got the Now gel. So that was $8.99. I got the Intimate Wash. And the Intimate Wash was pHRESH. I think it was $14.99. No, the Intimate Wash, sorry. That was $13.50, sorry. Okay, then we got the aluminum free deodorant. So the aluminum free deodorant was $14.99. And we got the little burlap bag that it came in. And then we got the ZEN TOES heel socks. And that was $14.99. Then we have these EDGEMASTER dual use edge brush. Okay, and the dual master edge brush. I forgot how much this was. Oh, that was $10. Sorry about that. And something else. Okay, and this puff cuff, that was $18. I said that wrong. I think I said this was 10, but this is 18. Then I got 2 sets of nails, which retail for $14.99 a piece. I got this one, and I got this one. And that was my, like I said, that was my Cocotique box, mystery box. So I'll put all the information down below if you're ever interested in getting one of these boxes. It's not a subscription, so you won't get it every month. They just have these specials on these boxes, and it's usually $20, $25 plus your shipping. And with all this stuff I got in this box, as you can see, I just threw everything in there, but it's definitely worth the $20 plus the $9 in shipping. Let's just say $9. I think it's truly, truly worth it. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.